Hi there, I'm Baird. I'm a product manager for SimForm, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the exciting things we've added lately to make it easier for you to define channels for your molds. As you can see here, as I'm adding each channel, rather than having to select the baffles individually, the baffles are being selected automatically. That can speed up the selection process hugely in cases where you have lots of baffles. Also, once you've defined all the channels, we can now define the inlets and outlets by simply going and clicking or shift-clicking to define an inlet or an outlet on each of your channels. One of our goals with SimForm is to try to make it as easy as possible to set up your mold. So this basically allows you to speed up dramatically the process of defining the mold before you submit your simulation. You can see here, because I had already set up the mold groups beforehand and the plastic part definition beforehand, it only takes at most a minute or so to go through and select all of the channels, have the baffles selected, and then define the inlets and the outlets, and then I'm ready to submit my job and have the simulation run. Thanks very much for your time.